Welcome, Cryovault Biotech India Private Limited.
Let's start with the basics. Cord blood has stem cells. Now that you get that part, we'll tell you what these powerful cells do, why everyone should consider saving them, and why scientists are so jazzed about their potential. See how jazzed they are? Let's get right to it. When a baby is born, there's a small amount of blood left in the umbilical cord. This cord blood is super valuable. Let's take a moment to get to know him better. Hello, cord blood. Time to go for a spin.
Wow.
Cord blood is full of all sorts of good stuff. But he's got one thing in particular that we're looking for. Pristine, powerful stem cells. Ah, there they are. They're like our body's own personal repair kit. They can produce any cell in our blood or immune system and may be able to help our bodies heal in new ways. That's why they're so important. Cord blood stem cells have already been used for over 25 years in the treatment of diseases like leukemia and sickle cell anemia, plus about 80 other diseases and conditions. They may even one day be used to help treat hearing loss, some congenital heart defects, and maybe even help children with autism or cerebral palsy. All that, and we're just beginning to tap into the potential of these cells. Saving your baby's cord blood now means your family will have access to these powerful stem cells in the future. And that could mean more possibilities for your family. That's definitely worth.
Feel free to contact us at our toll-free number 1-800-102-4026. For free presentations, mail us at info@cryovault.in or log in to our website at www.cryovault.in.